I wanted to be a better yoga teacher, to learn to help my students more, to be better for them, and of course to improve my practice, because I wasn't actually practiced a lot because of the teaching hours, and it's hard somehow to balance everything. And I knew that if I will do teacher training, it will give me more focus. I knew Joanna, and she was my teacher, and I think she was my best teacher. Like, I love her, and I knew that if she will organize something, I want to be there, even if she wasn't teaching in my 300 hours. But I knew that she will make the best choices in teachers, and I wasn't wrong. So yes, this is how I find out about Alpha Yoga, and it was like somehow the obvious choice for me. Yeah. I feel more confident in my hands-on adjustment, actually, because I was really afraid of hands-on adjustments. I don't know why exactly, and now I feel really confident in them. I had a lot of opportunities here to practice, and I also feel more creative, because all the vinyasa flows were really inspiring, and the sequences and the transitions were like amazing. So I really feel better right now in my job, and I'm so grateful for that. I came here without expectations, so I came like open-minded, and I didn't actually had any expectations, but overall it was like a really great course. And one of my surprises was that I actually enjoyed meditation classes because I'm not one of the most patient persons, and I was thinking about the fact it would be really hard for me to meditate in the morning because I'm sleepy, and but actually it was really nice, and now I'm sure my meditation and pranayama practice will be more regular. Yeah, this was one of my surprises. I enjoyed every single vinyasa class, every single one. Like, I wasn't expected to be all so different, and I enjoyed every single one of them. Yeah, the asana classes basically were my favorite, but I also enjoyed the group, my colleagues. We had like a really nice group with great yoga teachers, so yeah, every moment was nice. I will take away the discipline. Like, for me, this was like one of the most important things to take home. And the connections, it's really important to have connections as a yoga teacher. And yes, also the knowledge. I learned a lot in adjustments, in philosophy, anatomy, so it was like a really complex and complete course. Yeah. There were like really nice balance, because in the morning we had like energizing classes and student teaching maybe after breakfast, and in the afternoon we had in yoga classes, like more slower one, you know, and yeah, this was a nice thing, the balance between them. Yeah, it was a really nice experience for me, and really inspiring. Like, I feel like I'm a better as a person, first of all, and then as a yoga teacher, like, I learned a lot. Yeah, it was really nice.